As you saw in our previous video, we introduced the NBS hole saw, which is what we call the max build saw. And this was at that time drilling about 20 finished holes into normal stainless steel you find in an enclosure. We have the same bit. You'll notice there's no bluing on the teeth. We have the same pilot drill, which is the bullet point pilot drill, and we've drilled up to 35 holes in this panel. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and actually drill a hole into a stainless steel enclosure. It's that easy, and you can see how tough this bit is. Still, no bluing and no damage to the tip of the bullet point. It also includes a spring, and it also includes an Allen key that you can replace the bullet point should it wear out faster than the cutter.